Good day, ma'am. Our topic is about ecological literacy. Ecological literacy, it is a way of thinking about the world in terms of its interdependent natural and human systems, including a consideration of the consequences of human actions and interactions within the natural context. The core aspects of ecological literacy. First, principles of living systems. Second, design inspired by nature. Third, system thinking. Fourth, ecological paradigm and the transition to sustainability. And lastly, collaboration, community building, and citizenship. The first one is principles of living systems. Living systems are open, self-organizing systems that have the special characteristics of life and that interact with their environment through information and material energy exchanges. Second, beyond inspired by nature. Beyond understanding natural system, ecological literacy is about applying this understanding to the redesign of organizations, communities, businesses, and societies to align with ecological principles. The third one, systems thinking. Ecological literacy is also guided by an understanding of systems or systems thinking, sometimes called holistic or relational thinking. The fourth one was ecological paradigm and the transitions to sustainability. A worldview that places humans as embedded in ecological systems rather than perceived as separate, and that recognizes that there are global constraints to the amount of resources we can use, the waste we can produce on a finite Earth. The fifth one was collaboration, community building, and citizenship. The ability to associate, create links, draw on collective distribution intelligence of many individuals is a part of eco-literacy. Ultimately, sustainability is a community practice. So, how can be ecological literate? By learning about the wondrous ways that plants, animals, and other living things are independent. Students are inspired to consider the role of interconnectedness within their communities and see the value in strengthening those relationships by thinking and cooperatively. The importance of ecological literacy. It extends skills beyond understanding the basics of the life systems of our planet. Environment literacy prepares students to bridge the gap between understanding issues and taking actions to solve and improve problems.
5 components of environmental literacy. First, ecological knowledge. Second, socio-political knowledge. Third, knowledge of environmental issues. Fourth, affective, cognitive, and skills. Fifth, environmentally responsible behaviors. The basis of ecological literacy include knowledge of basic ecological concepts, environmental sensitivity or appreciation, awareness of environmental issues and problems, and skills and behaviors to prevent and resolve those issues. How can ecological literacy be used in classroom? It allows students to access a particular theme from different entry points as they work with a range of source of information and perspectives. 5 ways to develop eco-literacy. First, develop empathy for all forms of life. Second, embrace sustainability as a community practice. Third, make the invisible visible. Fourth, anticipate unintended consequences. And the last, understand how nature sustains life. 7 ecological principles. Maintain diversity and redundancy. Manage connectivity. Manage slow variables and feedbacks. Foster complex adaptive systems thinking. Encourage learning. Broaden participation. Promote polycentric governance system.
And that would be all, ma'am. By the way, I am Maria Ishel Gargolesa Dagnot.
And I am Marilyn Sabanal.
Thank you and God bless.